So Super Clean reached out and asked if they could send me a care package, and I'm not one to turn down free Super Clean because I buy the stuff with my own money. So if they're offering to give me some for free, I'll take it. Normally buy it in the gallon jug and I refill the bottles because I'm thrifty, but man, the aerosol stuff is nice. But anyway, they sent me a bottle of the spray cleaner as well as the aerosol cleaner. Stuff works great. Like I said, I use this all the time. I use it on as a degreaser. I just used it on the Lincoln. It was an oily mess underneath. You know, that old engine, rear main seal was leaking, transmission was leaking. It was just an oily mess underneath. Cleaned the stuff off with Super Clean. Didn't even use a pressure washer or anything, just hosed it off. Stuff came out great. And the next project we're going to tackle after we get the Lincoln done is probably this tractor. And it runs and everything, but I don't need it. I'm not using it. I've got my other tractor. So unfortunately this one's slated to probably get sold, but it's looking pretty gross. So once we get the Lincoln done, we'll have to clean this thing all up. We may paint it, we may not, but Super Clean will just melt this stuff away, probably pressure wash it, but yeah. So whatever your need, Super Clean's got you covered. But anyway, the point of this video is they want to send y'all some products, and so you know, I'm all for that. So we're going to do a giveaway. What I'd like for you to do is we're going to leave a comment down below, and on October 9th I will use a random comment selector and select a comment. What I would like for you to comment down below is what kind of videos you like seeing on this channel. I think that's what I did for the last giveaway, because that helps me, you know, pick what content we show here. You know, unfortunately, you know, I've got some projects that just have to get done, and so if we're going to do a video, it's just going to have to be sometimes the stuff that gets done, that needs to get done. But sometimes I've got some time to kind of do things that, you know, I can prioritize some projects. So I kind of like for some input on, you know, whatever videos y'all like to watch, let me know. And so, like I said, October 9th, I will use a random comment selector and let that choose a winner. So winner will be chosen out of the comments on the video on October 9th. So any comments after October 9th, sorry, you missed out. And that's 2024. October 9th, 2024 is when the winner will be selected. So make sure, comment before October 9th. And I'll select the winner. Keep track of your YouTube notifications. So I will reply back to your comment and let you know that you're the winner. And then there will be instructions on how to contact me, because you will need to send me your shipping address, your name and shipping address, so I can get that over to Super Clean so they can mail you out your products. You must have a US mailing address. So make sure you check back after the 9th. So go back to the video on the 10th, see if your comment was selected, and if it was, you know, follow the instructions on my reply to your comment. I will reply to the comment of the winner and of the winner only. Now, what's going to happen, because I've had issues on giveaways with people not responding. You know, they were selected as a winner. Unfortunately, they didn't respond, and you know, we have to select the winner. And so I will give you a week to respond back. And if I've gotten no response from you with your information, I will unfortunately have to select a new winner. And then that winner will have a week to respond, and so on and so on. until we get somebody who sends me their information so I can get it super clean. I think that's about the best way I can do it and make it fair to everyone. So just make sure October 10th, check back on the video, see if you were selected. I don't want people to everybody have to send me their information to enter in for an email or enter in for a drawing or anything like that. Easiest thing is a comment. We'll select a comment and then I'll reply to that comment, and then that's how we'll do the winner. Sorry, it's a little long-winded. I just need to make sure I make myself clear here because I've had some issues in the past with giveaways and select the winners and all that kind of stuff. So again, leave a comment down below if you'd like to be entered in the drawing for free Super Clean products. And check back on October 10th and see if you were selected as a winner. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Remember what videos you would like to see down below. Leave that comment. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Hey, and hit that notification button. It'll let you know when new videos come out. I don't ever ask y'all to do that, but hit that notification button. You'll be alerted when I post a new video, and it'll help it not get lost in the plethora of YouTube videos that are out there. Again, thank you, and thank you for watching, and good luck on the drawing.